It's no ordinary leaf. It has a special, altogether more sinister purpose. This is Nepenthes, the pitcher plant. It grows in nutrient-poor soils, so has to find nitrogen and minerals in another way. The leaf, just like a flower, attracts insects with a reward. The pitcher is coloured and scented to appeal to flies looking for a meal of rotting flesh. The visitors are rewarded with a greasy substance on the underside of the pitcher's lid. But the plant wants something in return. Not pollen, but a meal. The lip of the pitcher is covered in tiny, slippery ridges. Wax lubricates the surface further. It's extremely difficult to hold on, even for a fly. Once inside, there's no escape. The leaf holds a pool of digestive liquid. This contains microscopic elastic filaments which give it the properties of quicksand. The more the insect struggles, the deeper it sinks. Enzymes begin to dissolve the victim's body while it's still alive. Some pitchers aren't content with just insects. This one eats mice. The mice come along, perhaps attracted by the sweet nectar on the lip. They fall in, they can't get a purchase to get out, they drown, and eventually the enzymes in the pitcher's fluid dissolves the body so that eventually there's nothing left but a bit of fur and bones. This pitcher is called Nepenthes lowii. It lives on the forested slopes of Borneo's mountains. And it's perhaps the most extraordinary pitcher of them all. The evidence is that it too attracts small mammals. It secretes a sort of nectar from the underside of the lid there, and that attracts little tree shrews. This engaging little animal is Tupaia montana, the mountain tree shrew. It feeds on fruit and any insects it can find. It also visits pitcher plants. Until recently, what happens next was a mystery. This footage seems to show that the animal has found a way of evading the slippery death trap. What is more, it's feeding on the underside of the pitcher's lid. This pitcher doesn't get its nutriment from the bodies of dead animals. It's got another way of sustaining itself. The tree shrews come to lick it, and when they do, their rear end is directly over the pitcher so that their droppings fall into it. And it's that provides this plant with its nourishment. It's even been suggested that nectar contains a